In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the green screen or Chroma key feature in Kdenlive. This powerful tool allows you to transport your subject into any backdrop you choose, creating stunning video effects with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Kdenlive on your computer. Once you've done that, you'll need to import both your green screen clip and the background video or image that you'd like to use. This background can be anything from a serene landscape to an exciting cityscape. Now in the timeline, place your green screen clip on a higher video track directly above your chosen background. This is crucial because Kdenlive will use this order to overlay your clips, replacing the green areas with your background image or video. Now that your clips are in place, it's time to apply some magic. Select your green screen clip on the timeline and head over to the effects panel. In the search bar, type in Chroma key. You'll see it pop up in the results. Simply drag this effect onto your green screen clip to apply it. With the Chroma key effect applied, the next task is to adjust the key color so it precisely matches your green screen. Typically, this color is a bright green. However, to ensure accuracy, you can use the eyedropper tool. This handy tool allows you to click on the exact shade of green in your footage, setting it as the key color. Once you've selected the correct key color, the magic happens. The green background will automatically disappear, revealing your background clip behind the subject. But to make everything look seamless, you'll likely need to fine-tune a few settings. This brings us to the similarity and blend settings. Adjust these to clean up any leftover green edges, ensuring your subject blends naturally with the new background. If further refinements are needed, you can tweak the edge softness and key adjustments. These tools help smooth out any harsh transitions and ensure your subject looks naturally integrated. And now for the final touch, it's crucial to preview your work. Play through your video to see how your subject looks against the background. As you watch, don't hesitate to make small adjustments until everything looks just right. It's those little details that can make all the difference. And just like that, you've mastered using the Chroma key feature in Kdenlive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.